Hi guys, today I received this paint mask respirator with two P100 filters for paint purposes. They are, well, it's a packet of two filters. Here in the box comes the installation steps and how you put them on, okay? This is the main unit, has, okay, like this. It has this buckle, so you just put it around your head like this, and you can leave it there without taking your mask off very easily and not taking all the mask off. So you just put the mask on and easily you can put it off. And here the filters, this goes in here, you rotate them and they make like a click and it's closed. Okay, there we go. And now you can just put it on, adjust it, and there it goes. Like that, it fits correctly, it feels very nice and doesn't interfere with your breathing, which is something really nice. Many other kinds of masks, you need to take the entire mask off, but this, as it has a buckle, you can just lift it up and hang it around your neck while you do something where you ain't gonna work with paint, and then when you're gonna come back, just put it like that, very easily, put it on and take it back, which is really great, and it's very practical. As you can see, it's that easy to put it on and to take it off. Here's a buckle, you just put it like this, and it won't go out, and you can adjust it in here, this one, you can make it bigger, and right here you can also adjust. So yeah, it's a really nice mask that seals perfectly and doesn't interfere with your movement on your head, which is really nice.